In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to import questions onto your Google form. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is over on the right panel, there should be a little rectangular box in your Google form. It should say import questions, the second option down. Go ahead and select that. And then you can import them from a different survey you've done, or maybe you have one that's been shared with you recently. And that's pretty much it. You would just import it from here and select insert, and then you can insert which questions you want to go about importing. Check mark the box and then import it. And then you can move all the questions around just by dragging them around here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.